One World Trade Center is the main building of the rebuilt World Trade Center complex in Lower Manhattan, New York City. 1 WTC is the tallest building in the United States, the tallest building in the Western Hemisphere, and the seventh tallest in the world. The super-tall structure has the same name as the North Tower of the original World Trade Center, which was destroyed in the terrorist attacks of September 11, 2001. The new skyscraper stands on the northwest corner of the 16-acre World Trade Center site, on the site of the original 6 World Trade Center. The building is bounded by West Street to the west, Vesey Street to the north, Fulton Street to the south, and Washington Street to the east. The building's architect is David Childs, whose firm Skidmore, Owings, and Merrill also designed the Burj Khalifa and the Willis Tower. The construction of below-ground utility relocations, footings, and foundations for the new building began on April 27, 2006. One World Trade Center became the tallest structure in New York City on April 30, 2012, when it surpassed the height of the Empire State Building. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.